Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I want you to show an integral problem which was given in 2022 at IMC. So what problem said? So we have a function, an integrable function, so it's P1 from IMC 2022. So we have an integrable function from 0, 1 closed to 0 infinity open at 0, and we have the next relation, so integrable function. So we have that fx times f1 minus x is equal with 1 for each x from closed to 0, 1. So what problem tell us to prove is to show that integral from 0 to 1 from fx dx is bigger or equal than 1. At first view, when you see this type of problem, you have to think to manipulate this integral from 0 to 1, because in the hypothesis we have fx and f1 minus x. So what can we do? I suggest to break this integral from 0, 1 in two types of integral. So I have 0, 1 over 2 fx plus integral from 1 over 2 1 fx dx. And what we can do from this point? So I will consider it integral from 1 over 2 to 1 from fx, and I change a variable. I'm still thinking at changing a variable, so that's why I put y here. So we can do something like this. We can take y 1 minus x, and when I do this, my integral, it will be like 1 over 2 0 f 1 minus y times minus dy, which instead is going to be equal with integral from 0 1 over 2 from f 1 minus y dy. And my integral from 0 to 1 from fx, I can write like integral from 0 to 1 over 2 fx dx plus integral from 0 to 1 over 2 f 1 minus x dx. Because right now I can change x with y. And we have here like fx plus f1 minus x dx. And right now, what can we do? We can say that this sum is bigger than 2 radical from fx f1 minus x integral from 0 to 1 1 over 2 dx, which is going to be equal with integral from 0 to 1 over 2 dx, which is going to be 2 times 1 over 2, which is 1. So our integral from 0 to 1 fx dx is bigger or equal with 1. So this is a beautiful problem, Nice one. With a good idea. So don't forget, changing variable is a very effective idea in integral problems. And also try to think easy. Try to think not very complicated problem. I hope that you like this problem. See you next time. Bye bye.